Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including Hindalco, Paras Defense, Sundaram Fasteners, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. MOIL Limited. Share is trading around rupees 316. MOIL announced a dividend of rupees 1.6 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by MOIL. Atishay Limited. Share is trading around rupees 166. Atishay announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 3rd June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Capital Small Finance Bank. Capital SFB. Share is trading around rupees 294. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Capital Small Finance Bank. Sundaram Fasteners Limited. Sundaram Fast. Share is trading around rupees 917. Sundaram Fasteners announced a dividend of rupees 4.2 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 7th May 2025. Paras Defense and Space Technologies Limited. Paras. Share is trading around rupees 1360. Paras Defense announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Paras Defense, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date for the stock split yet to be announced by Paras Defense and Space. Oracle Financial Services Software Limited. OFSS. Share is trading around rupees 8,701. Company announced a dividend of rupees 265 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th May 2025. LG Balakrishnan and Bros. LG Bros Ltd. Share is trading around rupees 1,194. LG Balakrishnan announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by LG Balakrishnan. Zensar Technologies Limited. Zensar Tech. Share is trading around rupees 719. Zensar Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 11 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Zensar Technologies. Foseco India Limited. Foseco Int. Share is trading around rupees 3,665. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Foseco India. RPG Life Science Limited. RPG Life. Share is trading around rupees 2091. RPG Life Science announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by RPG Life Science. BPCL Limited. BPCL. Share is trading around rupees 310. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by BPCL. Sasken Technologies Limited. Sasken. Share is trading around rupees 1,535. Sasken Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 13 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Sasken Technologies. Info Edge India Limited. Naukri. Share is trading around rupees 7,070. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Info Edge, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 7th May 2025. SBC Export Limited. SBC. Share is trading around rupees 13.5. SBC Export also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 10th May 2025. Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company Limited. Share is trading around rupees 282. Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company announced the stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th May 2025. VST Industries Limited. VST Int. Current market price rupees 289. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by VST Industries. Mindspace Business Parks Share is trading around rupees 385. Company announced a dividend of rupees 6.44 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 6th May 2025. PTC India Limited, PTC, current market price rupees 177. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 5th May 2025. Gujarat Intrux Limited, current market price rupees 500. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 2nd May 2025. Moltech Packaging Limited, share is trading around rupees 507. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 2nd May 2025. Embassy Office Parks REIT Limited, Embassy, share is trading around rupees 382. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5.68 per share. Ex-date is fixed as 2nd May and record date is fixed as 3rd May 2025. ABB India Limited, ABB, share is trading around rupees 5,522. Company announced a dividend of rupees 33.5 per share. 3rd May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Laurus Labs Limited, Laurus Lab, share is trading around rupees 604. Company announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. 9th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Transformers and Rectifiers India Limited, TARIL, share is trading around rupees 495. Company announced a dividend of 20 paise per share. 9th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Mahindra Lifespace Developers Limited, MaLife, share is trading around rupees 342. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.8 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mahindra Lifespace. Tata Technologies Limited, Tata Tech, share is trading around rupees 658. Company announced a dividend of rupees 8.35 per share. 11th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Hindalco Limited, Hindalco, share is trading around rupees 625. Hindalco announced a board meeting on 20th May 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.